Alright guys, welcome back to another lesson of today guys. So in this video I'm going to show you chord with melodies, some simple chord and melody you can improvise over. Very sweet and harmonic. Okay, you start learning them as a beginner or intermediate guitarist. Okay, it's to sound better, sounds cool. Okay, so before then, if you know that it's the first time you're coming across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this guys. Okay, and if you want a one-on-one class with me, do well to chat me on the number on the screen there. It's not a free class, it's a payable class. Okay, all right guys, let's dive into the video. So we'll be doing the lesson in the key of G. It's a key of G. You can play it horizontal, just like this. So as a beginner, like I always say, make sure you practice something like that. Make sure you always improvise on that. It's going to help you and enhance your knowledge, give a very good insight about the fretboard. Okay, so so the number one chord we're going to play is the 1 chord, okay, to the 5 chord, okay, which is the D major chord, okay, to the E minor chord, that's the 6th chord, okay, then to the 4 chord, which is the C major chord. You can play the as well. Okay, so let's play something like this, something very simple. So as a beginner, you can start learning that, you can start practicing that. Okay, it's more melodic and harmonic. Okay, so the first chord is the do. For many of you that are not really familiar with your bar chord, okay, this is your bar chord, this is your normal straight chord. So if you play like this, that gives you a full bar chord. Okay, so from do, I play from the sol, la, si, do, re, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, because I'm coming to the sol chord now. Okay, I'm coming to the sol chord now. I hold the sol chord. Okay, that's a D major chord. You bar there, you bar the root here, while your ring finger bar the 5th and the 3rd in the key of D major. While in the key of G major, this will be sol, re, sol, ti, sol, re, sol, ti. Okay, so that's it. Then I play. I hammer on within the sol and the la. So as a beginner, you have to learn all those things as well. Make a pull on. Mi, re, do. Okay. Mi, re, do, la. I'm coming to my la chord, which is my 6th chord, like this. That's a E minor chord. Okay. In the key of G, that would be la, mi, la, do. La, mi, la, do. Okay. Okay, you can play with the first string. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Now going to the 4 chord now, which is your va. I started from my la, okay, because the initial chord is a la, so I started from my la. So I played this note to resolve to the 4 chord. Okay, la do ti la re mi va. Okay, la do ti la re mi va, re mi va. I hold my va chord. I hold a C major bar chord. As a C major bar chord, you can hold it like this. Okay, but like this will give you a full chord. Okay, then going to the 1 chord, going back to the 1 chord, and I play. Do va mi ro sol va mi, do va mi, do va mi, do sol va mi, to my 1 chord now. Okay, so I believe this melody gonna give you a very good insight if you practice step by step, okay, and see how you can apply them in your other improvisation or chord progression as well. Okay, all right, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.